Now we come to the aluminum extrusion production workshop to witness the birth process of aluminum profiles together. First, start heating the aluminum bars. Set the furnace temperature to about 480 degrees Celsius. The heated aluminum rod will now be extruded. Look, under the strong pressure, the aluminum bars are extruded into various profiles through the die. After being extruded from the discharge hole, they immediately enter the cooling air area. The tractor firmly clamps the profile for fixed-length traction. And the sawing device accurately saws according to the preset length. Through a series of rigorous processes, we have seen the birth process of high-quality aluminum profiles.